Welcome. In this video, I will explain what voice zoom is on Bravia TV and also explain how to use it. So the voice zoom, also called Dialog Enhancer on some TVs, is basically an audio enhancement feature that adjusts the volume of dialogues or commentaries relative to ambient or background sounds, which makes dialogue clearer without changing the overall TV volume. So this is basically the enhancer for dialogues in movies or commentary when you're watching sports, so you can hear a person better when they're speaking, which is a good feature if you cannot hear the TV characters speak to each other with the ambient backgrounds all around them. And you can adjust this feature by going to quick settings on your TV, then opening the sound settings. And now in sound settings, you will have to go to sound customization, and here you will find either the voice zoom option or dialog enhancer, like in my case. And if you want to make the dialogues louder, you just have to select this option and make the value bigger in order to make the dialogues louder so you can hear them better. This will not, the AI will keep the background sounds the same while enhancing the overall dialogue volume. And so that's basically how you do it. You just adjust it to the point where you are happy with the way the dialogues, the actors' voices sound, and then you just leave it like this, and then you just continue watching your favorite movies, TV shows, sports, etc. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.